Hey everyone, I wanted to give a quick update for grades and going into the end of the trimester. So I've had multiple emails from students about the comparison essay for HB10. I will be correcting that. I realize I have not corrected it yet. Juniors and sophomores are writing a paper at the same time. So there just aren't enough hours in a day for me. It will be corrected before the trimester is over. Likewise, juniors, yours will also be corrected before the end of the trimester. I want to mention contacting parents and students. Yesterday I spent about 2.5 hours contacting students regarding grades, especially those whose grades were a C or lower. Moving forward, I am just going to be using email and talking points to communicate that information. Doing email, talking points, and Schoology is just a little too much for me. 3 different platforms that don't necessarily speak to one another can become overwhelming. So that's moving forward. I wanted to talk to students quickly about late work. Monday, November 30th is the last day I will accept any late or missing work. And I'm also asking that you send me an email or Schoology message letting me know that you've submitted the work. If I have corrected the assignment in Schoology and you submit it late, the system doesn't notify me that you've turned it in. So I don't want to miss anything. So please send me a message or an email on that information. Last but not least, I want to mention that everyone has a test on Monday. So juniors, you have a test on Ender's Game. Sophomores, you have a test on Raisin in the Sun. Please make sure that you study. Those are summatives. And if you have any questions, feel free to email or send me a Schoology message. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.